Move. Just move. Oh, who's next? Harry.
There's Shinobi in the server?
Yeah.
Hey, brother.
I'll try to come back. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. I'm gonna about. Don't get near.
Nice.
Yo, Milo. Aline. Aline.
What? Why would I kill a
Mara,
house
die your
member?
armor.
Why would I kill a house member?
He's not in the
Oh,
house. Our house.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is a fool.
But ally.
Yeah, boy. That's it.
Ouch. Oh, I'm gonna knock. I'm so low now.
Nah.
Doom do be not in the pit though.
Where's the
No,
snoom?
that's mine.
Look
Okay. Aline, where you at?
What are you guys doing?
Oh, Kira, can you join me and give? I want to give you 1K soon right now.
Quadruple it.
Bro, he's just jumping. Oh, he's alchemist. Yeah, we're fighting. Yo, I almost M2 him off. That's fine. Yo. Oh, he's knock. Is he knock? I have Hunker right now.
You should be way faster than him. Oh my gosh. Annoying. Go.
Oh, what the hell? I'm so low right now. Oh, I'm low. I'm gonna die.
No.
I have to run.
I was.
I'm so low right now.
Does he not realize it still works?
I'm so low right now.
And run. You're faceless.
Oh, you have Stab Ignis.
Run. You're faceless.
I know.
Just come to us. He can't do anything when you're with us. Come to us. Don't run alone.
I need feet.
Oh my god, his triggers is so bad. Oh my god, I'm 1 HP. No, don't do Inferno combo. It won't work. No, don't come in our way. I got him. Hit him. No. Aron, run. Wait, might as well just prepare right now.
I need feet. Where's? Oh, watch out. Wait, can you spectate
Wait.
19? I need feet from him.
Thank you, the sun.
Where he might have
Oh my god. What the hell is your friend? Why did he join us? If he's
He's
not
a
going to
freshie.
help.
He's just fresh born.
What? Oh my. Ah, fuck.
He backfired snap Ignis.
Oh my
So bad.
god.
This alchemy session.
Alchemist Ashen.
But get him, get him. He...
Oh.
No,
Yo.
no, I actually used it on him.
Repair, Madan. Let me run.
And he's so low.
I need to get some feet.
Oh my god, boss is actually so. He's coming for you.
Coming for me. Oh, Elaine, where you at? Give me feet.
Sure. Sensor, where'd he go? Sensor, where? He's coming for you. Aron, he's
What do you
coming for
mean?
you. Aron, he's coming for you. So,
I can't lock right now. I don't want to.
no, you. Oh wait, wait. He's actually coming for you. Yeah, he's chasing. He's chasing you.
You can't chase me. I'm gonna face this other wham.
Wait, how low are you? How low are you?
I don't have any hunger and I'm half. I
Bro,
was
come
like,
to us. You don't.
That's not how it's up.
wait, are you construct?
Hmm?
Okay. Stupid asshole, go. You can go stay.
We wanna come.
Is it this one? Is it the sick guy in there?
Yeah.
My foot! My foot!